Ήρθε όμως η ώρα να ξεκινήσουμε και επίσημα το συνέδριό μας με ένα χαιρετισμό από την κυρία Ζανίνα Αναγνωστοπούλου, Senior Partner και Advisory Service Leader στο PM Partner LLP και πρόεδρο του Διοικητικού Συμβουλίου του PMI Greece. Κυρία Αναγνωστοπούλου, καλώς ήρθατε. Ο λόγος είναι δικός σας.
Καλημέρα. Switching to English, dear all. First of all, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to BOUSSIAS for inviting me on this event, where we are going to discuss agility, an irreplaceable practice element of our project management and enterprise culture, which we have been embracing as one of our valuable components in this business survival journey, building today the next normal, the post-pandemic future. As the president of the board of directors of the PMI Greece chapter, I am very pleased to participate and join the Enterprise Agility Conference. I would like to welcome all the distinguished speakers, Agile coaches, project managers, PMI members, and all our fellow attendees. This Agile mindset beacon, this radical shifting actually of the traditional way of creating the corporate strategy, doing business, developing processes, or integrating technology, I believe crossroads today, a world where the pandemic aftershocks have created such an ecosystems with highly competitive elements, new technologies emerging every day, and quite a tsunami of disruption in global markets. But under these conditions, new ways of working have been accelerated, unlocking numerous prospects, as I believe, for an effective transformation of the enterprises with agile mindset, providing all the necessary context to high-performing teams, delivering an environment that fosters individual and organizational rebuilding, combining stability, dynamism with transparency. Enterprise agility is becoming essential as it improves customer satisfaction and employee engagement and operational performance with a minimum of dependencies. Geared mostly toward generating value and at the end of the day, delivering higher returns to the shareholders. But each organization is unique, needs a unique culture to empower this new operating model, and organizations building this agile culture need, as per my understanding, to realize their current culture as a starting point and to articulate a specific vision statement which makes the biggest difference in inspiring people in their transformation. The enterprise agility culture embraces business acumen, as PMI says, to create well-rounded employees, those not only having the expertise in their specific roles and projects, but also understanding how their efforts relate to the microenvironment and strategic objectives of the organizations. Embarking on an agile transformation is a major undertaking, but it improves resilience as strong alignment around strategy and priorities, with teams working easily, with stronger connection, better coordination of roles, and actually a streamlined decision-making and governance. And the senior management must develop a new leadership structure and should foster continuous learning by building the right capabilities among teams, initiating the relevant upskilling and reskilling, and actually be there for their people. And PMI provides a number of professional certificates, well-structured, well-known, well-acknowledged, from disciplined Agile coaches to PMI Agile certified practitioners and so forth. In PMI Greece chapter this year, we have participated for the first time in a European regional project. We call it Agile Across Europe, where we have investigated the degree to which the concept of Agile is embedded in the companies. And we are just finalizing a thorough analysis of the result. Just to give you a snapshot, 50% indicate, 50% of our survey respondents, that their companies are now experimenting with Agile, but around 35% of the participants in Greece use Agile in their projects. At this point, I would like to thank the PMI Greece chapter and from the PMI Greece chapter, all the participants in this Agile report, which will be available to our members and all the participants. And thank you all who have joined these initiatives. And with that being said, thank you again, BOUSSIAS, for the invitation. It's something, enterprise agility is something more than a catchword. And my thoughts on that is how this will actually unveil. And this is what I shared with you today. From my part, enjoy this very interesting conference, and thank you for the invitation again.
Thank you very much, Ms. Anagnostopoulou. Thank you for being here with us today, and I hope that you will have a great conference day.
Thank you again.
Thank you.